Let's go to the ENCA Weather Centre now. Annika de Beer, talk to us. It's getting warmer and warmer.
That's right. The afternoon temperatures are in the mid to upper 20s. It's lovely and pleasant conditions across most of the interior. But this morning it's quite cold and wet in Cape Town. That's as a result of a cold front that moved over during the early morning hours. So in Cape Town at the moment we have a temperature of around 14 degrees Celsius. And later this afternoon the temperature will remain under 20 degrees Celsius all along the southwest coast. But the rain is mainly expected for this morning between Cape Point and Cape Agulhas, and then towards mid-morning, as we can see, the clouds will start breaking up, and this afternoon it's going to be partly cloudy in the Western Cape. Across the rest of the country, as we can see, clear skies, and it's going to be mild with afternoon temperatures in the mid-20s, upper 20s in the northeast, and even lower 30s in parts of Limpopo as well as the eastern part of Mpumalanga. And then towards this afternoon and evening, cloud will move into KwaZulu-Natal again, and there's a possibility of more rain overnight around Richards Bay as well as along the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal, and also some drizzle along the eastern escarpment this evening. The rainfall map for the rest of today shows the possibility of more morning drizzle along the southwest coast, and then also the evening rain that we expect along the east coast of the country. This can start by late afternoon, but most of the rain is expected overnight. A pleasant afternoon in and around Gauteng with a maximum temperature today of 26 in Pretoria, 25 in Johannesburg, also warm in Northwest, 28 in Mahikeng and Vryburg. And this afternoon we expect temperatures even in the lower 30s in parts of Limpopo, 30 degrees Celsius in Tabazimbi, 32 in Phalaborwa, with 32 as well in Bombela. A sunny afternoon in the Free State with a maximum of 25 in Bloemfontein, 24 in Bethlehem. Partly cloudy conditions in KwaZulu-Natal from this afternoon, and it's going to be clear skies in the Eastern Cape, 21 in Kumani and 20 today in Bishu. Along the east coast of the country towards this afternoon and evening there is a possibility of drizzle, and that is around Richards Bay with a maximum of 24 for today, 23 in Durban. Clear skies in the Eastern Cape, 21 in East London, and we are expecting a moderate to fresh wind, especially windy conditions this afternoon along the coastline of the Eastern Cape, and a southwesterly swell of 2 meters along the east coast this afternoon. A cool day across the southern interior with partly cloudy conditions over the Western Cape, 19 in Worcester, 22 in Robertson and 20 in Oudtshoorn, with a possibility of rain this morning along the southwest coast, as we can see between Muizenberg and Cape Agulhas. An afternoon temperature of 19 in Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay, with 21 in Jeffreys Bay. Along the southwest coast today we expect a southwesterly wind that will be between 15 and 20 kilometers per hour, and the swell will be from a southwesterly direction at 4 meters for today. In the Northern Cape, maximum temperatures will be in the upper 20s in the north, with 27 in Uppington, 25 in Kimberley and Prieska. Cooler towards the south, 21 in Kilvenia and 18 today in Sutherland, with sunny conditions also in Alexander Bay, 23 today, with a fresh southerly wind in that area. We expect a southerly wind all along the west coast of the country, with a possibility of morning rain also in the mother city, 19 in Cape Town, with a southwesterly swell today of 3.5 meters along the west coast. A quick look at your forecast for tomorrow. Dry conditions across the west, also warmer with 30 degrees Celsius in Vredendal, while maximum temperatures in and around Gauteng will remain in the mid-20s. That's all from me for this hour, but I will be back in the next hour with more live weather.